how to log into BMW employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL, type in BMW employee login. After that, press enter on your keyboard and that will take you to this interface. Now, head over to the second link that says login or securelogin.bmw.com. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now, as you can see on your left hand side, there is an information given to you that says BMW employees uses the authenticator enrollment portal AEP to enroll strong authentication method needed for logging into BMW applications and systems. And the strong authentication of BMW consists of your YubiKey plus PIN and mobile push plus PIN. So in order to log into BMW employee portal, you have to go through this authentication process. So for that, on your right hand side, you will get a login prompt. There it says Q or QT number. You can simply verify from your smartphone through your NetIQ Advanced Authentication app, then click to continue. Or if you are unable to do that, then you can either retry again or use different method to authenticate. Now to use different method, simply click on different from this interface and you will be taken to next method. Here you can simply type in your Q or QT number to log in. So enter your authorized number right here and then click on login, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct number. Or if you forgot your PIN, you can recover your PIN by going to this link that says forgot your PIN, and that will help you out to recover your PIN. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can simply create new account by clicking on this register option. And that's how you can log into BMW employee account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.